Scotty the Can Man, yes you can. I'm here shooting a M3 grease gun with suppressor, and Paul's going to demonstrate for me.
Oh, some demonstration.
Go ahead.
We're good to go?
Yeah, you just want to flip this stuff covered like that.
Okay.
And as soon as you squeeze the trigger, it's going.
That's the only safety on it.
That's it, yeah. You are the safety. It is accurate.
Let me try that later.
Nice. Oh. Get the top. Bottom. Over she goes. Nice.
Oh, that's it.
Pull her back. And drop your mag.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. All right, Scotty the Can Man, yes you can. That was the grease gun. It flips the flipper, no problem.
That was pretty neat. It didn't really take